If you're thinking about taking the PMP exam, you probably have a lot of questions. How hard is it? What do you need to qualify? What's the exam like? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through 20 key things you absolutely need to know about the PMP certification, based on official PMI guidelines, but explained in plain English. Let's get started. PMP is globally recognized. The PMP isn't just a fancy title. It's one of the most respected project management certifications in the world. Having it demonstrates to employers that you understand the global language of project leadership. It is shown that on average, PMP certification holders are paid about 20% more. So I say that PMP certification is worth investing into. You need real project experience. To be eligible for the PMP exam, you need to show that you've led or directed projects. If you have a 4-year university degree, you'll need at least 36 months of project leadership experience within the past 8 years. If you don't have a degree and only have a high school diploma or associate degree, you'll need 60 months. PMI is very specific. It's about leading projects, not just being part of one. You also need formal project management education. PMI requires you to complete 35 hours of project management education, sometimes referred to as contact hours. This can be fulfilled through online courses, in-person training, or even a PMP exam prep bootcamp. If you already have your CAPM certification, PMI considers that equivalent. Project experience must be non-overlapping. You might have worked on multiple projects at the same time, but PMI won't count them all. For instance, if you worked on 2 overlapping projects for 6 months, it only counts as 6 months, not 12. You can still list them both, but your overall experience duration must be based on non-overlapping time. The application is online and fairly detailed. You'll apply via PMI's website, and the process includes listing your projects, describing your role, outcomes, and how much time you spent on different tasks. Be honest and detailed, and make sure the descriptions reflect your leadership experience. There's a chance you'll be audited. About 5 to 10% of applicants are randomly selected for an audit. If you're chosen, you'll need to submit documents like a copy of your diploma, proof of your training hours, and signed experience verification forms. It's nothing to fear, just keep records handy. PMI membership isn't required, but it helps. You don't have to be a PMI member to take the exam, but joining comes with perks like discounted exam fees, access to a digital copy of the PMBOK guide, and tons of member-only resources. If you're serious about certification, it's worth considering. Now let's talk about the PMP exam itself. The PMP exam has 180 questions. You'll face these 180 questions spread across 3 domains: people, process, and business environment. The questions come in multiple formats: traditional multiple choice, multiple response, drag and drop matching, hotspot questions, and more. It's not just memorization. It's scenario-based problem-solving. Check out videos on this channel for PMP mock exam questions that are very similar to real test questions. If you find our examples helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel to get regular updates on project management field and your future career path. The exam is based on more than just the PMBOK. Many people think the exam is just about memorizing the PMBOK guide. In reality, the exam is based on the PMP exam content outline, which includes agile, hybrid, and predictive approaches. The PMBOK is just one resource among many. Agile and hybrid methods are a big deal. About half of the current PMP exam covers agile and hybrid methodologies. So if you're only familiar with traditional waterfall project management, you'll want to brush up on Scrum, Kanban, and iterative delivery methods. You have 230 minutes to finish the PMP exam. That's 3 hours and 50 minutes. And if you're taking the exam online, you'll get 2 scheduled 10-minute breaks. At a test center, breaks are possible, but more rigid. Time management is key. You'll need to pace yourself and stay calm under pressure. Yes, you can take the PMP exam from home or in a test center. PMI gives you the option to take the exam remotely with online proctoring, or you can go to a Pearson VUE test center. Both options are equally valid. Just make sure your computer at home meets PMI's technical requirements if you choose the online route. The PMP exam is offered in many languages. Not a native English speaker? No problem. The PMP exam is available in multiple languages, including Spanish, French, Arabic, German, Portuguese, Japanese, and more. You'll be able to select your language preference during registration. You have to apply online, yet you do not have to take the exam right away. After your application is approved, PMI gives you a 12-month window to take the exam. Use that time to prep properly. You don't want to rush into it unprepared. You get 3 attempts to pass. If you don't pass the PMP exam on your first try, don't panic. You're allowed up to 3 attempts within that 1-year period. Most people pass by the second try, especially with a solid prep plan. Important note though, second and third attempts are not free. You'll have to pay an additional fee to retry. You get your result immediately. At the end of your PMP exam, you'll see a preliminary pass or fail result on the screen. Pass. We wish you to see the pass result, of course. A detailed report with performance breakdowns in each domain will be emailed to you shortly after. There's no percentage score. PMI doesn't give you a numeric score like you got 83%. Instead, you'll see qualitative performance levels like above target, target, or needs improvement in each domain. Your PMP certification is valid for 3 years, and to keep it, you'll need to earn renewal credits. You'll need 60 PDUs to renew. To maintain your PMP, you must earn 60 professional development units, PDUs, during each 3-year cycle. These are continuing education credits that help you stay current in the field. You can earn PDUs in a variety of ways. PDUs can come from attending webinars, taking online courses, volunteering, mentoring, speaking at conferences, or even doing your day job as a project manager. There's a lot of flexibility here. And there you have it, 20 things you need to know before taking the PMP exam. If this helped clarify things for you, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and drop your PMP exam-related questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck. You've got this.